answer the questions now. This is our conversation together. What does a butcher sell? Have you ever won anything? What is your favorite pancake recipe? Did you drink any mineral water yesterday? How can we help our environment? Has anyone been unfair to you recently? How often do you go on business trips? What is the difference between an adult and a child? When was the last time you went to the cinema and what was on? Do you know what the origin of the word robot is? And now try to create sentences or any question out of following words. Salad. Forget. Regarding. Meet. Chance. Please write down the sentences, write down the dictation, and then read it out loud. Originally, I was supposed to go on that trip with environmental activists. When it comes to these topics, I have no problem adapting. I guess it might enrich me intellectually. But in the end, it was quite the opposite. I argued with my fellow passenger almost the whole way on the bus.